ELASTOSIL RT 601 is a two-part addition-curing silicone. After the two components have been weighed out and mixed, a low-viscosity material is obtained. However, it contains a relatively large amount of air. This trapped air takes two forms: small bubbles and air dissolved in the silicone. In most applications, air is undesirable and must be removed before processing the material further. Deaerating the silicone involves the use of a laboratory desiccator. Application of a vacuum causes the silicone to foam up. This foam collapses once all of the trapped air has been removed. The resulting degassed silicone is now ideal for encapsulation and curing. Eliminating air bubbles is particularly important for ensuring optimum insulation when encapsulating electronic devices. Because the viscosity of the material is low, trapped air generally escapes on its own during encapsulation. If the material must be absolutely free of bubbles, encapsulation must be performed under vacuum. Trapped air is a particular problem when curing at elevated temperatures because of the thermal expansion. With silicone which has been cured at 70 degrees Celsius, we can easily see the difference between a cured product made from material that's been deaerated and one made from non-deaerated material. Silicone processed under vacuum cures to form a crystal clear product. Silicone that has not been deaerated is bubbly and opaque.